Hi guys, welcome to xstopz, and my name is Kalani, and I'll show you how to make a snowflakes. If you need a piece of paper and a scissors. And a protractor. If you don't have it, you can use a plate. I'll show you how to use it. It looks like a circle. Then we need to cut it. I'll use the easy way to cut it. Fold it in half. And cut it. Made a circle. It looks like a circle. Now we're gonna fold it this way and fold it another way and fold it again. Like this is the last bit. It looks like a cone. Then you have to cut in triangles. Now you have to open it up. Look, it looks like a snowflake. And if you ask me something, do comment, then subscribe. Bye.